So guys, I drafted a bustier using a princess dart method. Little did I know that I did not remember to deduct the inches I was meant to deduct around from the armhole to prevent it from gaping. Okay, so quickly see what I did to remedy the situation. Yes, I did not remove that inches that I'm supposed to remove from the armhole, and I had gone ahead to cut it. Okay, look at how I corrected this error. Okay, and then I didn't have to start drafting everything all from the scratch. Okay, so I got a little piece of paper, okay, my pattern paper, and then I place it. Okay, this can happen to anyone, so just follow this video and see how to correct such error. So I placed the little piece of pattern paper I just cut out under, the center front and of course the side front. Okay, and then I use my glue gum to glue this down. Okay, so I applied my glue gum on that little piece of paper, and then I place my pieces on it, okay, properly. I did not allow one part of the pattern, to lap over the other part of the pattern. Please take note. I made sure that, okay, so gum did not get to those other areas, so I had to reapply. So I made sure that I place it properly side by side. As you can see how I'm doing it, I did not overlap it. Please don't overlap it, because if you overlapped it, you've just destroyed your pattern. Making sure that your armhole, take note of your armhole, is properly positioned. Okay, your armhole should meet the point at which you cut it out earlier. Please take note, your armhole should be properly positioned. Okay, and then I deduct my 7.5 inch, which is of course 3/4 of an inch on one side, and then I did on the other side. This was what I forgot to do when I drafted these bodies. Okay, so once I had marked that, I connected it back into the dart line or the dart leg, which of then I connect this one into the same line. Okay, no hassles, guy. There's always a way out, from all of this. So I just neatly connect those 2 points into our dart leg, and I mean, we've corrected the errors, as you can see. So the next thing I will do right now, okay, is to increase the armhole. The bottom part is often shorter, so I increase it by 1.5 inches to prevent us running into shorter fabric when we are joining that armhole area. I'm sure you're familiar with this process. So I recreated my armhole, right, as you can see me do. Okay, so if I didn't know how to do this, I would have just probably drafted this bodies all over, and that would have been really stressful. So I thought I should share this idea and experience with you guys. In case this happens to you, you would quickly know what to do. So I'm going ahead right now to cut it out as we would have when we drafted the pattern, right? Give a thumbs up if this video came handy or you learned something from it. No knowledge is always, guys. Don't take short videos like this for granted. They could be lifesavers you wouldn't know. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to cut it out neatly and properly as my pattern would have appeared when we did the initial drafting. And this is what we have, guys, when we're done real restructuring the pattern. This is what we have, looking all beautiful already, you see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Give a thumbs up, give a like, and follow for more. Okay, see you guys in the next. Bye bye.